Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the chef class and immediately equip your primary cooking tool and a ranged backup. Put the first skill point into the cooking passive so you get resource bonuses. This matters because it fuels every recipe. Once done, open the inventory and assign one active ability to a hotkey for quick use. Make sure to collect at least 5 raw ingredients and 1 cookware item now. This lets you craft basic dishes and begin passive buffs right away. You transition into the main loop by using your active cooking ability during short, safe windows. This gives immediate buffs and scales with ingredients. Once you have 8 or more items, combine them into 2 advanced recipes to maximize stat gains. Keep rotating your abilities. Use 3 cooking skills for sustained bonuses, drop a heal when health dips, and save a burst dish for elite encounters. This rhythm keeps your team alive, while leveraging the chef class's unique buff economy effectively. You finish runs by crafting a high-tier feast just before major fights to stack lasting bonuses. Time it within the last 30-45 seconds for maximum effect. If you run out of ingredients, go farm designated resource zones for 3 to 5 minutes, or trade with vendors for missing components. And if your build feels weak, respec 1 skill point into utility or defense. This simple change often fixes survivability without losing DPS. Key troubleshooting. Monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.